Today we're going to make our dolls a DIY telescope. Start by covering an empty roll with some paper. Glue strips of paper on top of one another to make 3 layers. Glue 3 straws to the bottom and then cut off one of the ends so that it can stand up straight. Then cut out and glue circles of cardboard to each end. Paint your telescope so there's a galaxy on one end and black on the other. Don't forget to seal it with some Mod Podge. Once dry, wrap a strip of paper around the larger end. Add a circular gem to the smaller end. Add some small sparkles to your galaxy. And glue some beads on the side for some buttons. Creating your DIY doll telescope.